and we got a fish here. And my buddy's got one. And I'll get the gaff. Where's the gaff? Do you think we need a gaff?
It feels light.
Let's bring him up and let's see what he is first. Before we gaff him, that would be the law-like thing to do. Oh, look, he's a lemon sole. Hey, bring him over here. Nice lemon sole. Beautiful. Look at that. All right, bring him right up here. Oh yeah, look at that.
That's
beautiful.
A pan fry.
Yeah, that's keepable. That's a nice sole. You got him there? Yeah. Wow. Beautiful sole. Well done. Good fish. And all the best.